Hello and welcome back, guys. Today I'll be showing you how to add an image in a LaTeX document. Why would you want to know how to do this? Well, maybe you'd like to add an image in your document to describe your text a bit more, so I'll be showing you how to add an image in a LaTeX document today. Check out the video description as I will try and leave written instructions there. So let's get started. I've already got my document opened up. And what you're going to do is in this little ribbon over here, you should have a symbol or an icon here that says upload. So if you click on that, and it will open up this page where you can either drag or paste an image or a file or select it from your computer. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And I've uploaded my image. This is the name of my image. You can obviously rename it to make it easier by clicking on it, and when you do that, you'll see these three little dots next to it and the rename, and then you can rename it from there. I'm just going to leave it as is and go back to my document. So I've just zoomed in a bit to make it easier to see. So inside this begin document element, what you're going to do is you're going to say \begin figure. So that will essentially begin the figure. It will also include all of these little elements here. So centering will center your figure and put it in the middle of the page essentially. And caption gives your figure a caption. So I'll put that later, and you have the option to label your figure so that later on down the line you can reference it. So yeah, now this is where we'll actually add the figure. It's in the include graphics section. As you can see, once I go inside it, the overlay LaTeX will immediately allow me to choose between any images that are inside here. So this is the image I want to use. So I'm just going to click on that. And that's basically it. Now let me just change up my caption quickly. And now if I compile that, as you can see, the image is really big, so it's actually moved on to the next page and it's not even fitting properly. So to fix that, what we can do is inside this include graphics section, before the curly brackets, you're going to include two square brackets where you're going to say scale equals, and let's say 0.5. So the scale of my image is now going to be a half of what it was. And if I recompile that, as you can see, this kind of took care of our problem. So now my image is a lot smaller and it actually fits into the page. And if you look here, my figure has been labeled with the caption I put that says telescope, and that's basically it. If you wanted to know how to add an image in a LaTeX document, this is the easiest way I know how, and if you know of another way, then leave a comment below and make sure to subscribe for more videos.